It's summertime in Texas, and although the temperatures are hot, my backyard entertaining scene is not. My boyfriend and I wanted to host a barbecue, but we still needed the essentials for entertaining outdoors. Luckily, Cabelas just added a home section to their store and website that has everything from decor to tableware to lawn games and so much more. So I headed to my local store to check out the selection. First, I found some melamine tableware that's perfect for an outdoor barbecue and will also cut back on waste. After looking around at all the cute decor options, I spotted a lawn game that is perfect for parties or just for Alex and I to play on the weekends. After getting everything home, we started setting up our backyard. Earlier that week, we were able to order the fire table on Cabelas.com that shipped right to our house just in time for the weekend. First, we put together a fire table, which took a little teamwork and a lot of screws. But being the good DIYers that we are, we got it put together in record time. Then, Alice got started mowing the lawn, and I pulled a few rogue weeds to get the space looking good just in time for our guests. Once our friends came over, we fired up the grill with some classic barbecue staples and served them on our new botanical plates. The little matching serving bowls made for a cute table spread. And now for the fun part. In under 5 minutes, we were able to put together the ladder ball set and challenged our friends to a game. The best thing about all of our new Cabelas purchases are that we can enjoy them with friends or alone. Later that week, we enjoyed some evening s'mores along with our puppy feta, and I can easily say this will not be the last time we do that. We will definitely be enjoying our new backyard additions all year long.